I think what's really great about this program is its flexibility. So if you want to stay with pure physics, then that's great. You can do that here. But also if you want to apply the physical mindset to different scientific disciplines, or you want to move on to the industry, then that's also possible.
The Institute of Physics and Astronomy is one of the top-ranked physics institutes in Central Europe.
We have something like 60 faculty people who are doing research, and based on this research and a number of publications and achievements, we are almost in the first 100 physics institutions in the world. We are very close to entering the first 100, which means that in the region, in the Eastern European region, we don't have much competition.
And also we take part in really high-profile research. So we have connections with CERN, and people from the institute are working at NASA, and they are really doing great cutting-edge research.
Our research topics range from particle physics to nuclear physics, material sciences, complex systems, computational physics, biological physics, and astrophysics. For our students enrolled in the Physics Master's program, we offer a broad selection of advanced and basic level courses in all of these areas.
In the first semester, you get a lot of relevant theoretical physics subjects like particle physics, solid-state physics, statistical physics, group theory.
I personally think that it is a good thing that you can have a really wide knowledge about nature and how physics works.
Well, basically it's a physics master's program, but I think that what really sets it apart, that besides getting a very good physics education, you also get involved in very practical research as well.
So there are a lot of laboratory opportunities as well at this university, so you can do your own measurements, your own experiments at this university, and you can use high-tech tools, you can use really well-developed tools as well.
There are different classes and different laboratories that you can take and you have to take. There is a general laboratory class in the beginning because students who arrive to us, they come from very different backgrounds. So we want to make sure that they have some laboratory experience at first. And then we have a specialized laboratory class in the second semester where students can choose from a lot of alternative measurements. We have measurements in mass spectroscopy, we have nuclear physics measurements in accelerators, we have measurements in astronomy as well, in observational astronomy, in real observatories. There is really a lot of choice, so people really enjoy because they do what they really like to choose and they really like to do. And so this freedom gives them a lot of joy, I think.
Other than that, we put a great emphasis on providing them with computational skills that are really useful to today's industry, because our students learn to do data science, and they learn different programming languages, they learn to deal with databases, and also they learn machine learning and artificial intelligence, which are really exciting things, and the opportunities are endless today in these kinds of fields. And I think that the whole structure of the program was designed based on seeing our students and graduates excel at both different research areas, but also in cutting-edge technology. And we want them to be prepared for all these kinds of challenges, and it's really exciting to see how they can apply all that they have learned in this program to different fields that you wouldn't imagine.
There are companies who really contact us to recommend people because they really look for knowledge that our students get to develop here. And some of our students are already CEOs of companies. They appear on the front pages of the Forbes magazine and such things. And they also found their own companies in Switzerland, in Hungary, in the United States. So there are all kinds of nice examples of really important careers that people after our physics degree or MSc can achieve.
What I really liked about studying here at ELTE is that the teachers are very kind and fair and teaching valuable information and making sure that you really did understand.
And I think also that the student body and also the teachers and the researchers are a really supportive bunch, so you will feel right at home. What I also really like about ELTE, which is like a great plus, is that it is in Budapest, which is the capital of Hungary. And I think that this is a really lively and interesting city and also really beautiful. And whichever your hobbies are, you can find it here. So if you're interested in visiting museums or checking out the really great architecture, or you like relaxing in historical baths, or you like summer festivals, or the nightlife, it's here, so you can enjoy all of this.
When I first came here, we had many events that were organized to bring us together. It was really fun.
After the beginning of the study program, we started to make study groups. I think it was really a good idea and a really useful idea, because we were able to discuss our own ideas and the different perspectives, how we see, for example, a different topic and how we would solve the given problem, and this really wide range of perspectives. It was really helpful for us.
The atmosphere is good here, the professors are friendly, it's like a huge family, so I will stay here because my family is here, and everybody is very kind of each other, so you can taste the science life here.